Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an Ipsy unboxing video. As I do the unboxing, I'm also going to try the products on and let you know what I think about them. Pretty straightforward, so let's go ahead and get started with the video. This is the bag. It definitely gets me in the mood for summertime. Now let's dive into the actual bag. I did take everything out already, that way I could prepare my face. And in this case, I did not have to prepare my face at all because the first product that I'm going to show you is a mask. And it is the I'm Honey Deep Moisture Rescue Mask by Tony Moly. It says that you apply it gently on the face after you cleanse your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off with lukewarm water. So what I am going to do is I'm going to cleanse my face. After I cleanse my face, I'm gonna come out here, apply the mask, play with my pups for about 10, 15 minutes, and then come back and tell y'all what I think. I just washed off the I'm Honey Deep Moisture Rescue Mask. When I washed it off, it felt really good, but now my face is starting to feel super tight. And in my opinion, I don't think my face should feel that way after I apply a moisturizing face mask. I also applied my primer, which is my Professional Benefit Primer, as well as my MAC foundation. And my face looks really patchy and dry right now. And I usually don't have this problem whenever I apply both of those products. I don't know if I'm, hallucinating because my face just feels super tight. But it almost looks as if my face got dry. I don't know if you can see it, but like right here, it's starting to almost look like a bunch of little skin pieces coming up. The next thing I wanna look at in this Ipsy bag is a Pixie by Petra blush. That's cute, I like it. This is the shade I think of when I think of summertime. I feel like I could almost get away with this being a bronzer as well. The next item in my Ipsy bag is going to be this Ciate eyeliner. And this looks like it is a full-size eyeliner. I'm very excited about this because I desperately need an eyeliner. This was awesome. It applied so smoothly. I barely had to touch my eyeball for any pigment to come out. The next item in my Ipsy bag is this Roller Lash mascara from, I believe, Benefit Cosmetics. I hear Jeffree Star talk about this all the time, so I really wanted to try it for myself. This was one of my free items that I was allowed to add to my Ipsy Glam bag. I love how it like spread them out, and my lashes look voluptuous right now. Last product that was in my Ipsy Glam bag was this Purlisse Coconut Oil and Plumira Silky Body Butter. You can never go wrong with a hand cream. Keep one in your purse, keep one in your book bag, keep one at your vanity, keep one at your desk, keep one at your house, in your car. Wherever. You can never have too many hand creams. Oh, it smells very nice. It's not super overpowering, but there's like a little subtle hint there. Another shout out to that eyeliner. I just put butter all over that, well, body butter, and it did not budge. All right, I am finished with my look for today. And the only product I was kind of disappointed in was this I'm Honey Mask. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's Ipsy bag unboxing / try on. It was a lot of fun for me to do. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Who's a What Now family. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below what maybe your favorite product was for your Ipsy bag, or if you had a favorite product that I demonstrated today. I love you guys so much and I will see you all in the next video.